Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Trello password. For that, let's just go and open our app and tap on this login button, then choose login with your email and tap on this continue button, and there you can already see your account if it is saved, and simply tap on add another account and enter your email address, and then tap on this continue button and they will ask you to enter your password. Simply tap on can't login and tap on send recovery link. Go and check your Gmail. Here it is. Just tap on set password button and they will take you to a website from where you can reset your password. Let's just wait for a few seconds until it loads. I think my network is really slow today, so I'll just tell you what to do. They will ask you to enter your new password. Simply enter that, and they will ask you to retype your new password. Simply write that again and tap on continue button, and that is how you can reset your Trello password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.